Hello, fellow Metazens. Metaverse Mogul here, bringing you this week's events in the Metaverse. Starting off in Decentraland, we have the Nerleave Beautiful Losers NFT gallery from 5/14 to 5/21. It is currently going on, and you can check it out at the coordinates 37102. Next up, we have game launch Blunt Force Auto. It is a very cool concept. I tried it out. You do fly around in an ashtray and can fly through some beer, so I'm excited to see where this goes. You can check them out more at their Discord. There's also the Metatrip weekly meetup, Tuesday, May 18th. This week, they're going from Genesis Plaza to Async Art to Indigo Virtual Gallery. There will be a POAP for attending. From 4:30 to 5:30, there's the Timeless Public 1-month gallery. This is a custom installation. NFTs are available on Super Rare. You can collect the POAP to receive the NFT version of an exhibition catalog in June 2021. Our friend Artific over in Somnium Space is always busy. This is what he has going on this week. Tuesday, the 18th of May at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, 23 CEST, Open Sky Studio will have an interview with Soundwave's Photon about his Diamond Eyes collection. Also on Tuesday, the 18th of May at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, 23 CEST, he will have an exhibition and interview with Prismatic Textile. Prismatic Textiles are cycles of paintings created using a set of 7 continually evolving forms. They are starting 15 minutes early with live music from I Am Blake Hots House, and we are having after party with Hots House right after the exhibition. Attend the event in the Metaverse by simply going to the link that will be in the description, or you can watch live at twitch.tv/artificcz. All relevant links and info will be in the description below. Now, continuing on with Somnium Space, Sunday, May 16th at 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. UTC, there is a VR avatar guide, which is awesome, and I'm really excited to see what avatars everyone comes up with. On Tuesday, May 18th at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, there is the weekly Somnium Development Meetup. Also, Thursday, May 20th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, there is the weekly Crypto Meetup. Thursday, May 20th, 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. UTC, you'll be strolling through the hottest locations inside Somnium Space. This is a weekly meetup, so be sure to check that out. Also, Friday, May 21st, from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. UTC, SM Sith Lord is building in Somnium Space VR, so be sure to check his Twitch out and see what he has going on. A project I am excited about is the NFT games. I am part of this project. Me and my friend Bennigan's are working on the development side of the NFT games. It is a Ready Player One style egg hunt over multiple metaverses and diving deep into a few topics. Each NFT ticket you buy goes to planting one tree as well. So join the Discord, ask questions, and come hang out. It is a great community, a great cause, and it's a really fun time. So that is what's going on in Somnium Space this week. Again, all links will be in the description below, so definitely check that out if you need a link to any of the locations, parcels, Discords, Twitters, any relevant information I will try to put in the description below. Who to follow? So to keep up with all Artific's interviews with awesome artists, follow him on Twitter and Twitch. To keep up with me, follow me on Twitter. I am really into the Bored Ape Yacht Club lately, so expect lots of that content. And if you have any questions about the Metaverse or the Bored Apes, I will be happy to answer any of them. My DMs are open, so just shoot me a DM. Switching over to Cryptovoxels has a Liquid Energy Metaverse party and art drop June 18th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. It's a ways out, but it's definitely something to look forward to in CV for sure. Follow at Cryptovoxels on Twitter for more information. This is Metaverse Mogul, signing out.